Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Stealth ECVP01 Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, a smart vacuum mop that combines convenience and power for all your cleaning needs. This versatile device is perfect for hard floors, area rugs, and carpets, boasting a self-cleaning detachable battery with a runtime of up to 30 minutes, ensuring efficient cleaning without interruption. Equipped with a smart voice assistant and an LCD display, this vacuum cleaner offers a seamless user experience, alerting you when the dirty water tank is full or the clean water tank is empty. The two-tank technology ensures you're always cleaning with fresh water, while the self-propelled and lightweight design makes maneuvering around furniture and into tight corners a breeze. With two power levels and a noise level of just 80 decibels, you can enjoy a powerful clean without disturbing your household. The Stealth ECVP01 also includes a HEPA filter for superior air quality, and its multi-surface cleaning capabilities make it ideal for any home, office, or commercial space. Don't forget, this all-in-one vacuum cleaner and mop comes with everything you need, including a rolling brush, hard floor brush, docking station, and a 24-month warranty for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.